This is the Midnight Range fire pit. In this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble the fire pit and operate it, and then I'm going to also show you how to mount it to your vehicle. Every Midnight Range comes with this roto-molded case, and you could also add this optional mount kit to mount it to your vehicle. So to remove the case from my vehicle, I'm going to unlock the mount, slide the lock plate, and remove the case from my vehicle. So we have here our case. Just going to undo these straps, pop the top off. You'll see this top you can also use as a cutting board. It's got juice grooves, measuring stick if you're catching fish. Then here is your steel parts. There is no tools. You're gonna see they fit right together. It's really quick. So I'm gonna grab these two top pieces off first. Grab this one wall. There's these teeth that are just gonna fit in these slots. So just like that, got that one. Just like that. The last piece kind of helps if you angle it in like that, makes it a little easier. So those are all fit together. And these next two pieces is your fire grate. This is gonna go on the bottom. So these are gonna drop into these two tabs that are sticking out here in the bottom. I'm just gonna lay them right on the tabs there. There we have a fire pit. So you got the fire grate, you can build a fire right on there. It's already ready to go. Also, you have your grill grates. So you see there's this one narrow side. Those are gonna fit right into the edge very neatly. And now we have our grill too. These are stainless steel grill grates, so you can grill right on these, throw some burgers on, steak. Also, don't forget, you can use a frying pan, put it on top of here, use some oil. One little pro tip I like to do is if you keep one side off, it's easy to feed the wood fire if you're using wood, and you can just keep cooking on one side like that. And you'll see this just fits together, but it's super durable, super strong. I can stand on this thing. There's no screws or anything holding it together. This thing's bulletproof. So that's how you assemble your Midnight Range. Next, I'm gonna show you how you're gonna mount it. This is our slot mount. It's super simple to assemble. This is a tracked roof rack. So we're gonna take our carriage bolts and we're just gonna slide right into the track. Most roof racks are tracked nowadays. If you have a Prinsu rack, you're gonna need a 1/4 inch carriage bolts. Any hardware store will have them. Extrusion Overland's 5/16. These are 3/8. These fit right into the Rhino rack. All I'm gonna do though is slide those in, put the mount right over the top, and then just washer our nut each side, tighten them down. That's it, it's that simple. So we got the nuts tightened down. All we're gonna do now is grab the case, slide it right through that center slot, make sure it's lined up. And then we're gonna take the lock plate. You'll see there's two little triangles in there, line those up, slide it on. And as I slide that on, there's actually two wedges going together, so it's pushing down. So it's gonna hold this without any vibration. Take the lock, slide it right in, twist it, and you're good to go. So that's how you mount the Midnight Range. If you have any questions, you can just comment on this video.